Have you ever felt like no matter how you save, it is not just enough? You are working hard, putting money aside, but it's barely growing. Yeah, I've been there too. The truth is, saving alone isn't going to get you where you want to be financially. What if I told you there is a better way where your money works for you? That's what we are diving in today. If you've been curious about investing and you don't know where to start, this video is for you. By the end, you will have a clear step-by-step plan to start investing, no matter your experience level. We all dream of financial freedom, but let's get real for a second. You can't just save your way there. Keeping money in a saving account, or worse, under your mattress, doesn't cut it. Why? Because inflation is constantly chipping away at its value. Think of it like this. If you are not investing, you are actually losing money over time. You might be thinking, what if I lose everything? Or, I don't know anything about stocks or market. Trust me, we've all had those fears. But there is the thing, not investing is just as risky. The longer you wait, the harder it is to catch up because you are missing out on compound growth. The kind of money that makes your money work for you while you sleep. So, how do you get started? By taking small, simple steps, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how. Before we jump into the steps, if you are finding this video helpful so far, hit the subscribe button. I've got more content coming to help you take control of your financial future. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, the first step is to get clear on your investment goal. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it to save for retirement, or buy a house, or just build an emergency fund? Know your why gives you direction and help you shape your investment strategy. Without clear goals, it's like trying to hit a target in the dark. When you know exactly what you're working towards, everything else starts to fall in place. Second step is to understand your risk tolerance. Some people are fine taking bigger risks, hoping for bigger returns, while others prefer to play it safe. And that's totally fine. The important thing is knowing what kind of investor you are. If you are just getting started, it's okay to be cautious and take smaller risks until you get more comfortable. Finally, start with index fund or ETFs. If you are new to investing, these are great options because they are low cost and diversified. What that means is that you are investing in a whole bunch of companies at once, which spread your risk. You don't have to stress about picking individual stocks. That's a game even the pros can't always win. Index fund and ETFs are like the easiest way to dip your feet into investing without getting overwhelmed. Now I know you might be thinking, but I don't have a ton of money to invest. Here's the secret. You don't need a lot to start. With platforms like Bamboo, Chaka, Carrywise, Piggyvest, and Trove, you can start with little as $5 to $50. Even small amounts add up over time, especially when you let compound growth do its thing. Let's talk about a few common mistakes beginners make. Number 1. Trying to time the market. Don't do it. Even experts can't predict when the market is going to go up or down. 2. Is not diversifying. Putting all your money into one stock or investment is risky. Diversify. Spread your money across different areas to protect yourself from big losses. 3. Is investing without understanding. Don't throw your money into something you don't understand. It's your hard-earned cash, so take your time to understand what you are investing in. Alright, here you have it. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is today. It doesn't have to be scary. You just need to take that first step. Start small, be consistent, and let your money grow over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with someone else who is just starting. And I want to hear from you. What's the first investment you are going to make? Drop it in the comment below and let's build our wealth together. Bye!